Good day, ma'am. I'm Arby Martinez, together with my group. And this is Tony Avellana, Joram Castillo, Ron Martinez, Arvin Bautista, Ryan Generin, Lord Edith Banqueo, and we're here, and we are proudly representing the
Real Southright Production.
Kahit ano inyong gawin ay hindi ka tatagal. Kapag pagka mo sa amin tawag dyan pati wakal. Hindi ka tatagal, kami na ang magsasabi. Ito na mga rebelde excelente. Wala na pa tumpik-tumpik at wala na paligoy-ligoy. Pepek mo sa pulang itong maangas na apoy.
Good morning, sir.
Are you finished eating your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Okay, who among you here have cell phones?
Sir.
Oh, good. I want you to get some piece of paper or something that you can write on, and I want you to write some comment about the issue of should cell phone be banned in the school community. Okay?
Sir.
Okay, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, done? Okay. How among you here is in favor of cell phone should be banned in the school? Okay, the two of you go on the side. And how among you here is in favor of that? Okay, the two of you go on the right side. Okay, hi guys. Okay, let us now start discussing about the issue that we've tackled before. Let's start sharing your ideas. Let's start with the affirmative group. How about you, Mr. Bustelio? Do you have some idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For me, cell phone should be banned at school because cell phone is a huge distraction in studies. Most of the students are just texting during the discussions. They don't ever listen to the teachers, and they cannot focus on their studies due to the cell phones. That's all, sir.
Nice idea. How about you, Mr. Bautista?
No, sir. It's not the cell phone that needs to be banned, but the service itself. Students should be allowed to carry their cell phones on them, but should not be able to use during class hours. But instead, after the bell has rung for the dismissal.
Oh, okay, you got a point. How about you, Mr. Martinez?
I think yes, because you are in school to learn, not to talk or texting on your cell phones. Cell phones is a big distraction to the learning process because most things grade has a drop dramatically because of cell phone. So if their cell phones are not allowed in school, they then cannot be distracted by anything, and they will be get all of their work done. If they ban cell phones, I bet teens grades will improve.
No.
Oh, how about you?
It's a big no. Cell phone technology has the potential to improve the learning process.
If a student takes a picture of the test, it's for two reasons. One, to pass the class. Two, to learn how to work. A cell phone camera can help students quickly copy down information that they can study, and it isn't allowed in school.
Oh, but there are some teachers that tell you that the students using cell phones for cheating.
Yes, sir, that's right. Because cell phones also could be used in cheating, especially during the test, because many students have very high-tech cell phones. They could use it, they can easily use it for like searching answers or any websites.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Bastilio.
That's wrong. Teachers make this huge deal saying we're going to be distracted, not interested in schoolwork, or we're going to simply cheat. For pity's sake, it makes me mad that the teachers can be sitting at their desk with their phones.
Oh, but not all the teachers. How about you, Mr. Banqueo?
For me, it's yes, because I believe it should be banned, because they can cause a huge distraction. I mean, why if we come to school if they are not even going to pay attention to the professor? They might just stay home and allow the professor to continue the teaching of the rest class instead of being interrupted by a kid who is testing or using their device during his class.
Thank you, Mr. Banqueo. Oh, do you
No.
have Mr. Villarin?
Cell phone may benefit the learning environment. The use of cell phones actually are helpful. The new technology allows people to obtain educational apps and enhance learning for kids with the things they use all the time. It could be a new way of teaching.
Idea?
That's good, because cell phone should not be banned in school because students will need them in an emergency situation. What if cell phone were banned in the several horrible cases involving school shooting? Not only can students using cell phones be among the first to report an ongoing and dangerous situation to authorities.
Oh, any idea, guys?
I have an answer.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Bastilio.
If you need to contact someone else, you can easily go to the office and call your parents or your guardians or whoever you need. And for you, cell phone does not improve our education, but instead they make it worse. Cell phone is an item that we want, but we don't need. We can live without it in school. That's all.
Very good, Mr. Bastilio. Do you have any idea, guys? Okay, thank you for sharing your ideas. I was impressed by your comments, for your negative and positive comments, and hope you will learn something about what we've done today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wala, okay.
Ang ako na, wala ko. Wala na nakita ko na.
Nakita mo.